वेलकम टू लर्न सोड एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर, प्रिंस इंस्टीट्यूट पानीपत। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको हमारे चैनल पे न्यू डिक्टेशन मिलती है, कई बार नहीं हो पाती क्योंकि ऑफलाइन क्लास होती है हमारी। सो आप हर रोज डिक्टेशन लीजिए। कोशिश करता हूँ हर रोज डिक्टेशन अपलोड करने का, टाइम नहीं मिलता। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। कैंसल विद क्वेश्चन, livelihoods are at stake. Get ready, start. The protests against compromised public examinations in Jharkhand on since late July brought the Hemant Soren government to the negotiating table almost immediately. Nearly all their demands have been met. To be sure, Jharkhand, like many other states, needs to do much more to ensure the integrity of its public examination system. In fact, governments across the country must confront the crisis of education and employment that have given these tests outsized importance. But the blanket cancellation of appointments, while it helps the government under pressure to appear response, can also be a slippery slope. It skirts vital distinctions and short circuits due process. It can end up doing injustice to those who competed in good faith and cleared the exam fairly. Overnight, the 2,000 individuals appointed after clearing the Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission combined graduate level examination found themselves without employment. Those who cleared the exam had already suffered from the unconscionable delays. Recruitment for JSS post began with a notification in 2015-16. In 2024, the Jharkhand High Court ordered the status quo be maintained amid allegations of a paper leak. In December 2025, the court lifted the stay and asked the government to appoint successful candidates. Now, those candidates are again in limbo, creating ironically a new group of protesters outside Jharkhand. Mantralaya Vikas Kumar Sharma told this newspaper, never in our wildest dreams did we imagine that the office where we worked in the morning would have us standing outside its gates by evening as protests. Even before the protests gathered steam, the Jharkhand government had cancelled the State Public Service Commission exam, ordered a CID probe, and arrested a director of TSR Data Processing Private Limited. All exams conducted by TDPL stand cancelled. The cancellation of exams that have undergone judicial scrutiny is arguably a blunt instrument that scores political points without addressing the deeper issues that have to do with dysfunctional systems and dwindling employment. It is the government's responsibility to ensure that those who got jobs after stringent tests through a process that was upheld by the court are not discriminated against. Due process and the credibility of the testing system are at stake. For the protesters, too, the current movement calls for a pause. From Jantar Mantar, Delhi to Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium in Ranchi. It has been an arduous journey in the course of which the young and those left behind have demanded accountability and reform. They have pushed the powerful to listen. The momentum must lead to meaningful reforms. It would be tragic if it is frittered away. Full stop.